Hello guys, and welcome to Chief Call's Car Wash Review. We are going to go and review the Quack Car Wash here in Brigham City, and we'll be there in just a moment. First off, I have to cut across 5 lanes of traffic. Okay, and we are here. At least I think they're open. Yeah, they are. So here we are. Good?
Awesome. Here's the dash wipe. Now let me hurry and get you checked in.
I was actually planning on, you guys were doing that deal on the unlimited car washes for $9.99?
Yes.
Can I do that?
Yeah, awesome.
Okay.
Let me hurry and get you checked in.
Okay. So they give you a dash wipe.
All right, if you can sign here for me, please.
Okay.
How's your day been?
Good.
Awesome. Okay, $9.99.
Okay. And that's for the Lucky Duck?
Yes.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
All right, you have a great rest of your day.
Okay. And I can come back.
Yeah, you can come back as many times as you'd like.
Okay.
Check you in by your license plate.
Okay, thank you very much. So we just bought a unlimited car wash membership, and if you saw those prices, below those prices is how much it normally costs per month. So we are rolling through. Okay, here we are. And we are going through. Okay. Here's the trifoam. Oh, and we have a brush. I don't know what this stuff is. I think this is hello, we're getting washed on the inside again. Here's the rain repellent. And the tire shot. Okay, and that was the Quick Quack car wash, and all Quick Quack car washes have free vacuums. So we are going to go and try out that free vacuum. And we're gonna pull up here. Okay, I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you during the next video. Thank you, bye.